humanity's greatest strength is our unique ability for spiritual growth,
setting us apart from all other species.
At our essence, we launch for affection and love.
Inclusivity represents both freedom and fairness in action. Tolerance and generosity are our guiding principle. Acceptance is key to our unity. Let's look deeper.
And avoid judging based on appearances. Our diversity is a part of us from birth.
Yet, fundamentally, we are all alike. Our differences enrich us,
Making us stronger.
above all, we are equal. There has never been
A more critical time to embrace this truth.
shine on. The future calls for our action. Until everybody is included, we are all excluded.
Let's embrace diverse perspectives, marching forward together.
We are interconnected.
Creators lifting each other up. Love unites us.
In the spirit of Ubuntu, I am because we are.
Every human shares
A bond of sisterhood and unity.
We are part of the Capital Logos family.
Where each individual's unique thoughts and actions matter.
We're the genesis of a profound goal.
To make this world better for all.
Inclusion is just the beginning.
Here is to a world where everyone thrives. Happy Women's Day.